Are you looking for a better source capture option for high production manual welding? Introducing the RoboVent Extractor, the most effective and ergonomic fume gun on the market today. Fume guns are the most efficient and practical way to keep weld fumes out of the breathing zone. But yesterday's fume guns were heavy and bulky, and they reduced visibility of the weld seam. They also interfered often with shielding gases, causing porosity and other weld issues. The RoboVent Extractor is not your father's fume gun. The new ergonomic design puts powerful extractions into a handle not much bigger than a standard weld gun. And the extractor captures up to 90% of weld fumes before they hit the welder's breathing zone, which compares to about 50% for competing models. Now you can have the benefits of fume extraction right at the source without sacrificing welder comfort or weld quality. The extractor is ideal for high production manual welding. This is a high quality design with 4 different nozzles available, so you can deliver a high quality weld every time. Studies have demonstrated that the extractor removes over 90% of weld fume before it hits the welder's breathing zone. So don't wait. Contact your RoboVent solution engineer today to find out how the extractor gun can best fit into your operation.